everyone. Welcome back for another Teaching Tuesday. This week I'm going to share some videos from the archives on how to sing and play at the same time. Did you have that experience this summer? Playing with your friends, getting all excited to make music together, get your strum pattern going, your chord pattern going, and then you start to sing and it all falls apart. We have all been there. So my hope is that these videos can help break down that process a little bit for you and help you build it back up again so you can sing and play at the same time. I taught a fun workshop version of this just last weekend at Artichoke Music here in Portland. I'll be doing another version of it on the west side in Beaverton on Saturday, September 21st. If you're not in the region though, I am bringing back my monthly member Q&As. I've taken a little bit of a break from those, but they're coming back. And this is gonna be the topic. So if you have any specific questions about playing and singing at the same time, you can let me know through my website. And on Saturday, September 28th at 10 a.m., I'll be live on YouTube for just a brief, probably 15, 20-minute period. And we'll see if we can't work through some material together and talk a little bit more about playing and singing at the same time. So be sure to let me know your questions. Join me there. I'll include the link on the members page of this channel. So be sure to check that out. And if you're not a member yet, you can learn more about that below. I'll include some information. Thank you so much. And enjoy How to Sing and Play at the Same Time with one of my personal favorite traditional tunes, St. James Infirmary. Hi there. Welcome to this video where we are going to talk about different ways to work on singing and playing at the same time. I know this can be a real struggle for folks, and I want to walk you through some of the layers that we're trying to put together here and model some ways that you can put those layers together in an effective way as opposed to just doing everything at the same time and having everything fall apart. I'm going to use the song St. James Infirmary as an example, and I'm just going to work on the chorus because that's kind of the most repetitive part. It's an 8-bar song, and it goes a little like this. This is what we're going to be working on putting together. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over. Never find a man like me. Here it is again. Let her go. She may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Pause there. Now it's an 8-bar phrase, it's got a really nice groove to it, and it's just a lot of fun to sing. So how do I sing and play this at the same time? Not to mention all the other verses as we go along, right? If you're working on singing and playing at the same time, remember that we don't get a lot of practice singing things, right? So go ahead, turn up your favorite original recording of that song, or just by yourself, sing the song, right? Just get used to singing it by itself, yeah? And get familiar with the lyrics, with the melody, how you like to sing it. See how it feels in your voice, in your chest, right? Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over and never find a man like me. Let's try it again. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over and never find a man like me. And you can do that as many times as you want. Highly recommend singing in the shower. I do it every day. Yeah? Okay. Now, once you've kind of got that melody in your ears a little bit, let's bring it together with the strum. I always really like to remember for myself kind of what the rhythm of my singing is. So I'm going to bring my swing strum into it. Get that nice da 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 da. That nice swing lilted beat here. And I'm going to add the singing on top of it. Here we go. let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. And I'm looking for those connection points, both where the lyrics are on the down strum, where there's a down strum and then some singing, right? Some syncopation. And also what lyrics line up on the first beat of each measure, right? And I'm gonna overemphasize those so that I can really feel them and make some notes for myself here. Here we go. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me, right? So find those lyrics, that connection point, and notice that in the third bar, there's a down strum and then the lyric, right? Wherever she may be. Here we go, from the top, 2, 3, let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Again, let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Leave out the word. You can still audiate or lightly hum. Bring it back. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Leave out the strum. Let her go, God bless her. Do da do da do da do. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over and never find a man like me. Bring it back. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Pause there. Now, that audiation section, when I took the melody out, I could still hear it in my head, right? And when I took the strum pattern out, I could still hear it in my head or feel a little bit of it in my body, right? Dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum. And that's really an important part of kind of fusing these two layers together. We want this melody and these lyrics to become kind of one unit with the strum pattern. And when we take those things out, it really solidifies how we hear them inside or feel them inside. So when we go to play it, we've got that blueprint, right? Instead of just always doing it externally, we want to internalize it as well. And that's what audiation helps us do. It really helps solidify that orchestra that we hear in our head, right? So now when we sing and practice singing just on our own, we can hear a little bit of that dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum going right along with it. All right? So that is your singing and strumming together. You can call it a day's practice if you want, or you can stick around. The next part is going to be singing and chording.